Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. Open Settings application. In it we scroll down and look for our About Phone selection. In it we must tap on our software version sometimes to activate and configure it. Enter our look screen, and now we are the developer. Now we can go back and open System and Updates, where we have new additional settings, developer option, and their memory, where we can read information about our available random access memory that now we use 3.69 gigabytes, and we have total 12 gigabytes, and Avenda used it 33%. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.